Ken and I recently purchased a beautiful home that has been sitting vacant for over 3 years. While we were in escrow, we maintained the lawn, but now we're getting ready to start the real cleanup. The flower beds are completely overgrown. First thing this morning, we're going to pick up a new lawnmower. It's kind of a commercial type because we're mowing so many acres of grass each week. We have to bump up our game a little. I think that's it over there, Kenny. They got it all ready for you. I do believe. We have the 2 John Deeres, but we need one with a bigger mowing surface. Here's the new lawnmower. Holy moly. It's like a space vehicle or something. Oh my goodness, Kenny. But you know what? It's going to make mowing all those acres really efficient. Lawnmower is fantastic. It is like floating on air. We still need the smaller John Deere ones to kind of get around some of the smaller stuff, but the bulk mowing, oh my goodness, I should have done this a long time ago. Ken's been busy trimming all of the trees here just to make it easier to mow. I kept getting whacked with the branches. So we're trying to clean up this front flower bed. We took all the weeds and stuff out. We're just putting some mulch in. And we need to get a lot of this shrubs. They haven't been trimmed in probably 2 or 3 years. It's starting to look good already. Got to get those weeds out along the front. But little by little, we'll get this yard back in shape. I think what we're going to do with that lilac is just trim a little bit around the bottom here and then just give it a nice shape. Okay, we only did a little section, but look how good it looks compared to the jungle. Well, we got all of these here trimmed and mulched. We're just cleaning up our big old mess. We're gonna go have lunch and then we'll come back and hopefully get the other 3 bushes cleaned up today. That would be really nice, and mulched. We're here at Origins Cafe for lunch. It's one of our favorite hangouts. It's a greenhouse and they have the best lunch food, all farm to table. Ken and I are having a grapefruit Hefeweizen. It is so good. I love this beer. Always get it when we come here. And water. And then our son is having Omega Rare Voss. We got the hummus platter, which was delicious. We shared that. And then I got the Chicory Creek panini with a little side salad. I tend to get this because it's really, really super yummy. We're splitting a carrot cake, and look at the little flower. Look at the difference. We got all of the shrubs cleaned out in that flower bed, and everything is mulched and trimmed. It hadn't been done in years, so it's going to take a little while, you know, with the new leaves coming on to get a, you know, perfect shape, but it looks so much better. Now our next project is going to be to the right, that front flower bed. I don't think it's going to be as hard as the one we just did. We'll just need to get it cleaned up, and I'm going to do a little bit of planting in there too. Well, I got one of my sons out here today helping me clear out this bed. He was so kind to help me. Ken's having a play date with his friend Mark today, and so I was going to come over here and see if I could work on this flower bed, and then my son volunteered to come help me. He's such a hard worker. We got part of the front flower bed done today. Everything was weeded. We planted some beautiful fuchsia azaleas, trimmed up the bushes, got everything mulched, and got some Boston ferns hanging. Next go around, we'll take on the front right flower bed jungle. I also mowed the front yard again. I'm getting ready to put some fertilizer on it tomorrow. Look at these jokers. Oh my gosh. We're back at it. He's getting the hydrangea trimmed now. Well, here is the final view of 3 days worth of working on the front flower beds, the lawn, trimming all the trees, getting all the trees mulched, and looks really super good, I think. This is an investment property. The house has 3 stories. It's like an executive home. The hospital wants to do a long-term rental contract with us. And there's an apartment above the garage, which we already have rented. And even though we're financing this house, the interest rates are so low, we're going to have a positive cash flow of $1,500 a month. So it was a no-brainer to buy.